battery tester. Connect the positive probe to positive terminal. Then connect the negative probe to negative terminal. For continuing, press enter. First test battery, then select enter, then select SAE, this, press enter, then select the battery number 34B90 LMF. You can select using up and down button, select and then enter. Battery testing status OK. Then go back. Next, test starter, press enter, start the vehicle. Vehicle started. Starter good. Then go back. Next, test alternator. Select alternator and then press enter. Engine RPM need to be increased 2000 for 15 seconds. Press enter. Alternator good. We can see the test result. Select tester result and press enter. Battery tester result good, starter good, alternator good. We can take run using this button.